Today, we're going to understand one of the most basic but most important terms in digital marketing, a website. It sounds simple, but the role of a website in marketing, branding, sales, and customer trust is huge. Let's break it down in the easiest way possible. A website is a collection of connected web pages on the internet that share information about a business, person, service, or idea. It is like a digital shop, digital office, or digital identity that anyone can visit from anywhere in the world. Think of a website like a store in a mall. The homepage is the main entrance. The product pages is shelves inside the store. The about page is information counter. The contact page is customer help desk. The blog section is free knowledge area. Just like a store helps customers understand what you offer, a website helps online visitors understand your business. A website makes your business available 24/7 even when you are asleep. People trust brands more when they have a proper website. Brands without a website feel incomplete or fake. A clean and well designed website makes your brand look serious and reliable. With payment gateways, product pages, and checkout pages, a website can act like a complete online key business. All your marketing efforts, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, emails, lead people back to your website. So, your website is the final destination. Imagine someone searches your brand name, your website name, like the address of your house, a storage space for your website, like renting space for your shop, the content, images, videos, contact info, like the rooms inside your shop. They see information, products, services, and take actions. Imagine you run a bakery. People don't know what cakes you offer, no menu, no prices, no online orders, no delivery details, no customer trust. A menu page, cake photos, pricing, online ordering system, contact page, customer reviews, special offers, delivery options. Your business automatically becomes more trustworthy and modern because everything leads back to your website. You run a Google ad, users visit your website. You send an email, users visit your website. You post on Instagram, users visit your website. You promote a course, users visit your website. A website becomes your biggest marketing tool, your biggest sales assistant, your brand's digital face. If it takes more than 3 seconds, people leave. Most users come from phones, what you do, who you help, how to contact you. People judge your brand from your visuals. Buy now, sign up, contact us, book demo. Users should find everything in 1-2 clicks. A website is your digital identity, your online shop, your trust building tool, your marketing and sales engine, available 24/7, accessible globally. In simple words, a website is the online home of your brand. Like and subscribe for more easy digital marketing terms explained in simple words.